Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle, then I'm going to take you for a drive in it. It's a 2-litre TD T30 SE minibus. It has the DSG automatic gearbox. It's a long wheelbase, 2015 on a 15 plate, is a 140 brake horsepower engine. It has 9 seats, it's one owner from new, and it has a full service history. It has done 76,496 miles. The fuel economy, urban 27.7, extra urban 42.2, combined is 35.3. Top speed is 107 miles per hour, and it has a 0 to 62 time of 14.7 seconds. The height is 1990 millimeters. Width is 1904 millimeters and length is 5292 millimeters. Road fund license £325 a year or £178.75 for 6 months. Okay, so we have the 2 keys for it here. Typical VW keys like the Golf and Polo. Not many automatic minibuses about, I don't think, and it's a proper automatic gearbox. I drove a Renault van the other day with some sort of automatic gearbox, which was absolutely awful. Anyway, I'll just take you for a ride in it. Other kind of creature comforts like the front central armrest, 9 seats, so there's three rows of seats, three, and then 3 in the back. There's also, with it being a long wheelbase, there's also plenty of room for luggage as well. In fact, I think it's probably got more space than I've seen in other minibuses we've had, so that's really good too. We've got height and reach adjustable steering wheel here, proper handbrake here, and foot on the brake into drive. I'll just show you. You can also change manually like the DSG gearbox in the Audis and the VWs. Good box really. Right, off we go, showing D1 on the dash there. Now today is Sunday. I know what you're thinking. You know, you must really love your job to come in on Sunday, but where we video the cars, they're doing the widening the road, so there's been workmen here all week and it's cocked me up a bit, so I've come in on Sunday to try and catch up. But this has been, Lance has cleaned it, lovely vehicle, handy vehicle, probably one of the best vans to start off with to drive, the VW Transporter. Let's get going. A great engine as well, nice and nippy. Very cold in the UK today, so roads are a little bit slippy. Take it a bit easy. But don't want to let the van drivers down by going too slow, of course. There you go. You can promote a gear change by just taking your foot off the accelerator when you get to the desired speed, really. Lights on the right here, your volume control for your radio, clip in here, a CD radio, quite nice to drive, quite smooth. Just trying to keep over here because with it being a 3-seater, my camera is further over, so if I look like I'm driving in a stranger position than I usually drive, it is because I'm trying to keep out of the way of the camera. Just try and get back a bit further, that's it. Height and reach adjustable steering wheel, indicator on the left. Now I've just moved back a bit. I could do with it moving down a little bit, so if these lights stay on, nope. Oh well. We always do well with the minibus types. Obviously not very many about, and certainly not very many VWs. On the dash there, the left hand side, we have the rev counter. In the rev counter there's coolant temperature, then your information display there, the time, the gear you're in, your fuel consumption, mileage. And on the right hand side, speedo, and in the speedo there's a fuel gauge, which isn't showing so much at the moment. Great driving position, kind of a four-wheel drive driving position. I suppose it's a little bit bouncier than you would normally expect from a car, but of course it's sprung for 9 people and all the luggage to be in, so it's a little bit of a compromise. The vehicle no doubt drives a heck of a lot better when it's full. All the tyres are good on it. Just going to do a drive past here, make sure the motorway is clear, which it is. So we'll go down it. Don't want to get stuck on the motorway. I've had no coffee so far today. And nothing to eat either. So here we go. We've been out dragged here by a van. Look, going. What an SE Ceilings Limited. Get yourself a new driver. I'd have carried on the normal speed. I'd have ended up going up the hard shoulder there. C'est la vie. They're even out on Sundays in vans. I thought I'd be safe today. So there we go. We're doing 70 miles an hour, 2,000 revs, in 7th gear. I could drive this all day, to be fair. Pretty good fuel economy too. I'll try and remember to cut the service history in, and I don't think this will be here too long. Couple of compartments here in the driver's door. heater controls there. Just actually just change down there. There you go. So that's using the gear stick, the gear selector. There's absolutely bags of room behind me. Could have joined the traffic, but I'd rather cut through spaces that aren't really there. Van's in really good condition. Couple of marks on it, nothing too drastic. Got front and rear parking sensors. Got them a long way, didn't it? Your heater controls there, air conditioning, heated windscreen, heated rear windscreen, and then heater for the back compartment. Wipers here, let's just test them. I think that would benefit from a new driver's wiper blade, although could just be dirt. So it's a bit icy and a bit slippy today, so just take it easy around here. Try and get back to the garage and enjoy the rest of my day off. Really, really nice vehicle. Wow, that was a strange position to adopt, to turn right down here. I've been behind him for a few miles now, and so far he hasn't done anything to make me think he might be a good driver. So we're going to be heading into the sun and trying to avoid all the lens flare. Nice steering look. Oh, he's just lighting a fag now. There you go. There you go, oil temperature, average speed, distance, range. There we go. Oh, dear me. How can you not see a red car coming? Come on, before you kill yourself. Some other poor sod. So I'll finish the test drive there. Just remind you, videos being of any benefit to you, please like and subscribe. check out our web shop. It's coming up to Christmas, and if you order anything through our affiliate links, it does subsidise the videos. We won't get rich, but it helps pay towards the cameras that I keep breaking. Great thing with the vans, of course, nice high seating position, see over the cars in front, and any danger that's coming round the bend over the hedges.